Mm. Mm. That I came here, after going down with a couple motorcycle accidents. I'm into racing on the track. It's very physical. And so I've been lucky to be here with somebody who understands the body and helps me push through that. So it's something I'm very happy I'm here. Dr. Vu, because he'll make you feel comfortable and really get to know your body individually. That's what I feel like you've done with me, and just work with you wherever you are. Take a look at some images and just customize the therapy for you individually. So that's what I feel like I've had here. Hmm. Yeah.